Welcome, it's denome, and we have something crazy here on the chart. So what you're looking at right now, this is the global liquidity, and as you can see, the number here is currently $92.76 trillion, and this went up roughly $1 trillion in one single day. So this means that suddenly we have a lot of new liquidity in the market, and this usually means very, very good things for the assets in the world. So let me actually talk about this exactly, what it means, what it is, and what it is not. So first off, you just have to understand the tickers here. So this is all of the major currencies in the world. So we have China, we have United States, we have Euro, we have Japan, we have Great Britain. So these are the most traded currencies on the planet, and their M2 money supply. So basically how many currency units are circulating in the world. And all of these numbers are dollarized. So this number here is basically the dollar value of the global liquidity. And as the dollar value of global liquidity goes up, usually asset prices follow. So let me show you exactly how this has worked in the past. So we have been tracking this since 2008, and we have been respected by this line a couple of times here in the past, and usually these are the bottoms of the market. And when we see global liquidity rising, that is usually the time when we have a bull market. And when this global liquidity is going down, that is usually a sign for a bear market. And here, for example, if we just take a look at 2016 to 2018 here, this was a perfect crypto market bull run. Everybody had money to invest, and that's what basically is driving the asset prices up as well. Then we had a drop in global liquidity, which is a signal that the asset prices are going down, and this was the bear market for crypto. Here was the bottom. Then we started to see money printing, and here basically in 2020 we had another touch here at the bottom, and then just massive money printing, and the global liquidity just went up. I think it was like 30% to the upside. And then we had the crypto top here as well, and then we basically had the bear market here, and right now we had a new all-time high in global liquidity. So we have never seen a higher high in global liquidity before. So this is obviously a very good signal that maybe the markets will not crash yet. Maybe they will crash anyway, because maybe people will flip bearish, but this is a signal to me that the markets are still wanting to go up. So does this mean that money printers are now online? Not exactly. So what actually happened is, when we take a look at the DXY, which is the dollar currency index, so this is simply looking at the value of the dollar against other currencies. So in one single day, we saw the value of United States dollar go down roughly 1%. And that means that all of the other currencies in the market have to go up in price. For example, when we take a look at Euro against USD, you can see Euro had a green candle here. If we take a look at the British pound against the dollar, this also had a green candle. So when the DXY is going down, it means that other currencies are going up. And because when we take a look at, when we times the monetary value of their money supply, United States dollar money supply is only $21 trillion. So the other currencies are making up the vast majority of this global liquidity here. And when the dollar is crashing, the other currencies are going up in value. So that is basically causing this green candle here, but it has been a reliable indicator for when a bull market is basically kicking up in speed. So maybe this is not the bear market yet. And there's another thing that I do want to show you, and that has to do with Ethereum price. So when we take a look at Ethereum price here, we have been basically following this line since 2016. So 8 years now, Ethereum has respected this line multiple times. And recently we had a touch here, we had a touch here, or we are currently having a touch at the line currently. So if Ethereum, this was a little bit scary area, by the way. I'm like, this has to bounce very soon, or I will have to flip bearish. And I will flip bearish if Ethereum price actually falls below it and stays below it. for like a full day or even a day and a half, I will be flipping bearish once again on altcoins and so on and so forth. But currently, as it stands, we got the signal that the global liquidity is going up. Maybe there will be government intervention on Monday. I don't know, or maybe there will be like a hidden government intervention, something that we do not see but will happen anyway. I don't know, but all in all, we are getting the signal basically that this could have been the bottom. So for me, I think if you buy Ethereum here, that is a very low risk, high reward potential play. But I could be wrong. If this falls below it, don't I will be flipping bearish in that exact moment. So from here until Monday, maybe I will be already bearish. But as of now, I think this is like a golden chance to long even altcoins right now. And in my opinion, the best altcoin to long right now is called LDO. So let me show you LDO USD. So this is the Lido DAO coin here, and I will explain exactly why I think this is like the one of the best assets to probably buy. Currently, we're looking at the double bottom on the USD value of this asset, so $1.4. But the crazy part about this is that LDO is the crypto that allows liquid staking of Ethereum. So it's basically like a leverage play on Ethereum, but the downside risk of LDO is probably less than you would have if you're leveraging on Ethereum. But the upside potential is much more. I will explain very, very soon. But when we actually take a look at the fundamentals of LDO, you can see that the total value locked in this protocol, the total value of Ethereum in this liquid staking pool is almost $30 billion worth of Ethereum, which is way more than is in the the ETFs of Ethereum ETFs. I think it's closer to 10x more than is in the Ethereum ETFs. Anyway, here you can see basically the chart of total value locked, which is in the blue. So we're currently looking at $30 billion, but the market cap of this protocol is only $1.28 billion, which means that the market cap to total value locked ratio is currently 1 to 25, or flipping it the other way around, 0.04. And that basically gives me an idea that maybe this is undervalued, because usually the ratio is like 0.1, or it has been even higher here, 0.15, even 0. Like the maximum here, 0.3. So there's a massive undervaluation, in my opinion, in this coin here. So if you're bullish on Ethereum, you may want to consider looking at Lido, because it is basically directly correlated with Ethereum, but there's a lot of reasons why it could outperform Ethereum because of this undervaluation from the market cap to total value locked ratio. Maybe I'm completely wrong here, and maybe Ethereum will fall lower, and then I will be reevaluating my position. But as of now, it just looks like a good deal here. And even when we compare LDO to Ethereum price, LDO and wrapped Ethereum, you can see that there's a potential 50% gain to be had for LDO against Ethereum, or even all the way up to 200% potential gain against the price of Ethereum. So LDO, in my opinion, just looks like a better deal than Ethereum. But maybe I'm completely wrong here. I already bought LDO at a higher price here, so I've been holding a losing bet. But as of now, as we got the signal and I was reevaluating my positions, should I sell, should I not? Currently, I don't want to sell that we got this signal here. But who knows, maybe Iran will attack Israel within the next 24 hours, 48 hours, and everything changes and nukes start flying. Obviously, then nothing matters anymore and we're all dead. But as of now, this is basically my analysis. And obviously this is a nice signal. So I will be making update videos. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing so you can get these updates on time, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks and bye bye.